friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change your quality, your FPS recording rate to 60 FPS. To do this, all you gotta do is just go to the settings. It's like three or four steps. So first you have to click the setting icon right over here. The setting icon right over here. So you gotta go down to the last one called Advanced Experimental Settings right over here. So I'm gonna click that, and you need to click enable this. Allow export frame rate to up to 60 FPS. Now this is actually off, but you can click 60 FPS as an experimental thing. So as you can see, and after that I'm gonna go on a project and I'll export it. I'll show you the 60 FPS. Alright, as you can see, look at this. I can export to, well, it's usually 30, but now I can export to 48, 50, even 60 FPS. Right, guys, I can export to 60 FPS for my videos. So I hope you understood today's video, and please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Peace out.